So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your Gmail account contacts not showing on your iPhone. Now in order to fix that issue, simply click on the settings and go to apps in the below of the settings, and here search for mail. Right there, simply search for mail, it's right there. Click on mail and here click on mail accounts. Now you will find all your Gmail accounts right there. Make sure your Gmail account is logged in, and if it's not login, simply hit add account and login, and click on the Gmail ID of yours, and here make sure the contact is enabled. And if it's still not enabled, if you're still not able to find it, simply click on fetch new data, and here you'll see that is currently set to automatically. Hit manually and fetch the data automatically, and it will download all the contacts from mail. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.